Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve Windows folder icons removing black backgrounds in Windows 10 computer. So the black squares behind folder icons in Windows issue is a visual anomaly that, while not usually indicative of a critical system failure, points to a disruptions in how Windows display graphical elements, and usually symptoms of Windows struggling to correctly retrieve and display the intended icon image due to an issue with its stored icon data or underlying system files responsible for rendering. And primary reasons include corrupted icon cache, corrupted system files, outdated display drivers, and specific software conflicts or customizations. And then I'll show you some numerous solutions to fix this error. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to perform a disk cleanup. So all you have to do is to click on a search menu and then type disk cleanup, and then you need to click open. So if you open disk cleanup and if you have another drive, then usually select a C drive. But for my PC, I'm only using one drive, which is C drive. So it will pop up disk cleanup for C drive. And the next step, then you need now to select or tap disk cleanup system files and wait to complete the calculating. And another pop-up disk cleanup for C drives. And the next step, so here at files to delete, and then we need to check this temporary files folder. So check this box. Save with thumbnails folders, check this box. And then after that, and then you need to click OK. Alright, so after this performing disk cleanup, and the next solutions that we're going to do is to reset the folder view settings. So all you have to do is to press the Windows A plus letter R on your keyboard to open this run command. And then once you open up here at run command, so here in box, and then you need to type this command keyword control.exe space folders, and then click OK. And then pop up this file explorer options. And the next step, then you need now to select or tap this view tab. And then after selecting this view tab here at folder views, then you need now to tap or click this reset folders. So click only here this reset folders, and then click apply, and then you need to click OK. Alright, so after again here at reset folder view settings, and the next solutions that we're going to do is to check for display driver. So all you have to do is to right click on a start menu and then select device manager. And then once you open up here at device manager, and the next step, and then you need now to select the display adapters. So click this arrow to expand, and then we need to update the graphics card driver here. On how to update, select and then right click and then tap update driver. In updating driver, so we have two options like search automatically for drivers and then browse my computer for drivers. So all you have to do is to tap or select the search automatically for drivers and then click, and the best drivers for your device are already installed. So after here at device manager, and then we need to close, and then we need to restart this PC by clicking this power button here and click restart. Alright, so that's it guys, and thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorials.